the southernmost tip of India mainland, and the Sripad Shila, the rock sanctified by the tapasya of Devi Parvati, provided Swami Vivekananda with just the natural setting required to realize the mission of his life, which was revealed to him during his epoch-making meditation there. Meditating on the last tip of the mainland, he had the complete vision of the past, the present and the future of our great motherland Bharat, and resolved to restore Bharat Mata on the throne of Jagat Guru by dedicating his life towards achieving that goal. It was to commemorate this historic meditation that 30 lakh common people contributed for the construction of the Vivekananda Rock Memorial at Kanyakumari, making it a truly national monument. The person who was the guiding spirit and the master builder in the creation of the Rock Memorial was Mananiya Eknathji Ranade. Mananiya Eknathji Ranade's vision of Swami Vivekananda's cause extended far beyond the memorial of granite. He dreamt of creating a force of young men and women who would undertake the holy task of rebuilding a glorious India.
Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Jirdin, West Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh has completed 25 years of service in the field of education. Vivekananda Kendra, headquarters Kanyakumari, is running 23 schools in Arunachal Pradesh. Located amidst lush green Himalayan valley, VKV Jirdin is one of them and is exclusively meant for girls. 25 years of growth, 25 years of women empowering and academic excellence, the commemorative celebration is underway. 300 students from 10 VKVs of Arunachal Pradesh are here. Bright sunshine, cool breeze, jubilant hearts and joyful faces, all are ready to welcome the chief guest, Sri S.K. Jain, Superintendent of Police, West Siang District. After traditional welcome, Manmi Vishwatji and Shanti Manoharan, Principal VKV Jirdin, are escorting the chief guest to the stage.
Our chief guest, Sri S.K. Jain, SP Alang. Then there is Manmi Vishwatji, Secretary.
And now, it is Adi welcome dance by the students of VKV Jirdin. The implication is very clear. We are learning modern science and technology, but our roots are intact. We know our culture and we are proud of it. It's the panacea of VKV education system.
On the occasion of the inaugural function of Inter-VKV's Kho and Volleyball Tournament, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Jardin is celebrating its 25 years of dedicated service to the people of West Siang of Arunachal Pradesh in the field of education.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Sri S.K. Jain, Superintendent of Police, West Siang District, आदरणीय अपर्णा दीदी, ऑल इंडिया व्यवस्था प्रमुख, विवेकानंद केंद्र कन्याकुमारी. Principal, right type of education is the only panacea for the development of any country. Therefore, Manani Eknaji Ranade, he said one of the major activity of Vivekananda Kendra will be establishing schools which will have a beautiful blending of both secular and spiritual education.
This year, Arunachal Pradesh in All India Rural National Games at Jaipur, a very smart contingent of VKV Balidan is marching the most beautiful dress, and now they are reaching towards the dais, and it is followed by VKV Jarampur, the girls in yellow. Their volleyball team has come in this cluster. And now, and it is followed by VKV Karsang, very quite new team. Last year only they have come, but VKV Karsang is led by the flag bearer, Kumari Yapu Kamchi, is followed by VKV Nirjuni, by Hibu Onya, VKV Nirjuni, the orange girls. They have done a lot of surprises last year. Then it is followed by VKV Nimita Bihar, one of the very favorite teams of this tournament. They have bagged this cup for 3 times. And Kumari Dani Pompe is leading the VKV Nimita Bihar, followed by VKV Shergaon, cheering Yangdam of VKV Shergaon is leading the team. They also won this volleyball cup last year, and now followed by VKV Sonpura. Kumari Toponem is leading the VKV Sonpura team. VKV Sonpura is going for the Northeastern game this year, followed by VKV Takraga, Jasmine Dew. And here comes the band of VKV Jidin, the girls in the maroon coat.
Torch is lit by Sri S.K. Jain, SP West Siang.
The torch is lit, crackers busted, and the Mandakini Memorial Kho tournament is being inaugurated now. The very important Kumari Bagra is running with the torch, and the crackers have gone to the sky.
And Kumari Liza Loya, school captain of VKV Jirdin, is administering the oath to the players.
In Mandakini Memorial Girls Kho and Volleyball Tournament 2007.
Composed by Govind Vishwakarma, is being played by the VKV girls under the leadership of Kumari Jyoti Yadav.
And here they come, the tiny whiny tots of VKV Jirdin, beautifully attired in red and yellow. In every step there is confidence, conviction, capacity and capability. The message of hope and integrity is very candid. They are giving through a song, and it restores our faith in young generation. Let us enjoy the action and the song.
मुश्किलें बचाते पर्वतों को लांघते शेर से gratitude to the little angels who really performed or put up extraordinary cultural program, band display, march past. I am highly moved and influenced by their performance, their dedication and commitment.
The teams Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Nimita Vihar and VKV Jirdin, the finalists of Mandakini Memorial Kho-Kho, are on the ground. Mananiya Balakrishna Ji, Vice President Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari, is blessing them. There is a smile on his face, a smile of fulfillment, a smile of realization of dream. Vivekananda Kendra could make it happen. The senior citizens of Jirdin area, the village headmen, Anchal Samiti members are with Mananiya Balakrishna Ji to cheer the players.
सबसे खुशी की बात हमारे
And here goes the whistle. Both the teams have pitched in their might and mettle at the very outset. It is speed and more speed like that of Leopard in the fourth inning by VKV Jirdin is paying off. The supple girls of VKV Jirdin have put in what all they have: stamina, strength, and above all, breathtaking speed. It is now or never for these flying fairies. Can they, and they must, and they have to win. Blows the final whistle. VKV Jirdin wins Mandakini Memorial Kho-Kho 2007 trophy, and the euphoria of jubilation and excitement is let loose. There are hugs, there are tears, and above all, there is joy and elation and jubilation. Prize distribution is on. Top brass of Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari is present to share the joy and jubilation.
आदरणीय बालकृष्ण जी, राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष विवेकानंद केंद्र कन्याकुमारी, आदरणीय रेखा दीदी, जॉइंट जनरल सेक्रेटरी विवेकानंद केंद्र कन्याकुमारी। समय निकल गया, पता भी नहीं चला। स्पीड, स्टेमिना एंड स्किल, ये तीनों बातें इस खेल में विशेष अंश रखते हैं और प्रत्येक कार्यकर्ता को ये तीनों बातें the captain of VKV Jirdin to receive the prayer praise cup. And the runners, VKV Jirdin, after enjoying the boxing. It is a long time. We may have to start the match little early.
मैच हो चुके हैं, कुछ नियम अपने आप को असमंजस में डाल देते हैं, कंफ्यूजन कर देते हैं.
All is set for a final match of volleyball tournament 2007 girls category. Teams are lined up and are being introduced to Sri Vishwaji, Secretary, VKV AP Trust. VKV Yajali is in whites and VKV Jirdin is in red and blues. A good service by Yajali. Play is localized at net. Jirdin has an advantage of local support. On the contrary, Yajali is depending on their skills and stamina, keeping heads cool throughout, using attack and defense sensibly and shrewdly. With strong underhand, VKV Yajali has won the third game comfortably, established their supremacy with bang and bag trophy. Winners, runners and all are smiling. It reflects the sportsman's spirit. We play the game in the spirit of games. And that is VKV. We are at Alo Parade Ground. Sri Boken Ete, ex-MLA Alo, one of the senior most citizens of West Siang, public leader and social worker, is being taken to the stage ceremoniously. Mananiya Balakrishan ji, Vice President Vivekananda Kendra Kanyakumari, a tower of strength. Dr. Joram Begi, Director Higher Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Sri Mogi Uri, Adi priest, is invoking Doni Polo for the welfare and well-being of all.
Anaga uju anaga junata daga pupa dak sogo elena naga dana yago kolena dak sogo anaga murdum banjlo kama nagad ponyo banjlo kama nagad bolo hilu banjlo munga dena gad mli banjlo munga dena namli banjlo munga dena taga topak balaga dula.
A group song by VKV Jirdin Girls. The message is very lucid and clear. Live for Dharma, live for our community, and we are all brothers and sisters.
We all are here to celebrate 25 years of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Jirdin, an offshoot of Vivekananda Kendra, a spiritually oriented service organization with headquarters at Kanyakumari. ऐसे माननीय बालकृष्ण जी आज इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित रहने के लिए आए हैं. विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालय जिरडीन की लड़कियां जब गत साल विवेकानंद केंद्र देखने के लिए कन्याकुमारी गई थी, उस समय उन्होंने आग्रह किया था कि बालकृष्ण जी इस हमारे कार्यक्रम में आप आना ही चाहिए.
जी from Adarniya Sri Balakrishnan ji, Vice President Vivekananda Kendra, Adarniya Rekha Didi, Joint General Secretary Vivekananda Kendra, Adarniya Aparna Didi, All India व्यवस्था प्रमुख विवेकानंद केंद्र, डॉक्टर जोरम बेगी जी, प्रांत प्रमुख विवेकानंद केंद्र अरुणाचल प्रदेश, डॉक्टर तेजुंग बाडू जी, ट्रस्टी विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालयास अरुणाचल प्रदेश ट्रस्ट, श्री तुम्पक एते जी, वेलविशर ऑफ विवेकानंद केंद्र, distinguished guests, parents, teachers and my dear children. Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Jardin is celebrating its 25 years of unswerving service to the people of Arunachal Pradesh in general and especially the people of Siang. Following the successful emergence of the 7 VKV schools for boys in Arunachal in 1977, there was enormous demand and earnest appeal by thousands of people from all walks of life to Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari, to extend the privilege of man-making and character-building education for their daughters. Thanks to the enthusiastic initiative of several public leaders of the then undivided Asiang district, wholehearted support by the government of Arunachal Pradesh, especially the patronage of the then Union Territories enlightened Lieutenant Governor Sri H.S. Dubey, a little village Jardin, 12 kilometers away from Alor town, was chosen for starting a girls' school.
And now be ready to enjoy the jingle and tinkle with beat and tempo. The tiny tots of VKV Jardin are playing Lejim, a folk art of Maharashtra. There is a rhythm and rhyme with vibrant and forceful steps. Yeah, these steps will take India to greater heights. Wow! What's this? The dumbbells, but they are not dumb at all. They are in the strong and able hands of VKV Jardin girls, singing in harmony and making beautiful formations, a dynamic and beautiful feat indeed. Oh, look at those orange fairies. What are they doing? Making pyramids, trying to reach higher and higher. There is coordination, there is balance, and they are so cool but so firm and strong, and they are so dynamic like robots. Formation after formation is coming with lot of variety, so many shapes. A very good training is given to them by their teachers.
Who wants to reach to the zenith. You can see the Lord Shiva down there, Trishul in hand.
The magnanimous donors of Jardin area who donated their lands for VKV Jardin are felicitated.
साधारण व्यक्ति जब एक साथ आते हैं तो असाधारण कार्य कर सकते हैं। तो साधारण व्यक्ति जब एक साथ आके एक विचार को लेकर कार्य करेंगे तो ये समाज जरूर आगे बढ़ेगा। विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालय जर्दिन की 25वीं गांठ में विवेकानंद केंद्र एक ऐसा ही संदेश सारे वेस्ट सियांग के लोगों को ही नहीं सारे अरुणाचल को देना चाहता है।
My congratulations to the Vivekananda Kendra Jardin that it has completed 25 years. That is over quarter a century. It's not a matter of joke, or it's not a easy thing to complete the institution for such a long time, but this is a milestone.
Arohi, the combined school magazine of all the 23 VKVs of Arunachal Pradesh, is being released by Mananiya Balakrishnan ji.
यहाँ पधारे हुए हमारे लैंड डोनर्स और यहाँ के गांव बूढ़ा और बच्चों हमारे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स और विशिष्ट अतिथियां सबको मैं विवेकानंद केंद्र की ओर से नमस्कार करता हूं। आज विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालय का 25 साल हो रहा है। इसका मूल कारण श्री बुकेन एटेजी है। 1979 में जब अरुणाचल प्रदेश के राज्यपाल थे श्री आरएन हल्दीपुर, जब उन्होंने यहां अलोंग सागर में आए थे, रामकृष्ण मिशन में गए या रामकृष्ण मिशन के विद्यालय में गए, वहां बुकेन एटेजी भी थे, मैं भी था वहां उस वक्त बुकेन एटेजी ने उनको कहा यहां लड़कियों के लिए विद्यालय होना चाहिए। केंद्र विद्यालय के बच्चे आज पूरे, आप कहीं भी जाइए, कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट में जाइए, कोई भी हॉस्पिटल में जाइए, कोई भी इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट जाइए, आज हमारे विवेकानंद केंद्रीय विद्यालय के बच्चे वहाँ डॉक्टर बन के रहते हैं, इंजीनियर बन के रहते हैं, ऑफिस में एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बन के रहते हैं। इसलिए सभी जगह में है। आज विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालय के नाम पूरे अरुणाचल में मशहूर है।
Ome Love, Light of Daughters, a commemorative magazine of VKV Jirdin, is also released by Sri Buken Ateji.
The first copy should be given to Dr. Joram Degi sir. Next copy is being given to Dr. Padu sir.
Ijo kom kama, garu kom kama uidu. आज का दिन अच्छा बात है। 2007 का साल का अंदर में आपका जिर्दिन स्कूल का 25 साल हो गया बोलकर यहाँ आलोंग में सेंटर पील में लेकर आज दिखलाया है, किताब खुलने को दिया है, खूब अच्छी बात है। उसको आज का दिन डोली पोलो को आखिर बार देता है। पढ़ के माँ बाप को और हम लोग का अरुणाचल का नाम, इंडिया का नाम निकाल देगा बोल के अब अभी भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। और माँ बाप लोग भी ठीक से लड़की लोग को दिखलाना चाहिए। खाली हाथी करेगा, बिक्री करे बोल बहुत चूसो, अच्छे लड़की का रास्ता में दिखाई देगा। अबे लोग ठीक से पढ़ के IAS करके ऑफिस को सब कब्जा करो, ठीक करो, लड़ाई भी जानने चाहिए।
इस मैदान शिक्षक
विशेष रूप से आते हैं और हम सबको उनके आशीर्वाद प्रेरणा की आवश्यकता है।
When I am looking at the photo of Swami Vivekananda and looking at you, जब हम स्वामी जी का ओर देख रहा हूँ, आज आप लोगों को इधर देख रहा हूँ, the nicely dressed, very disciplined, well trained, and I am feeling that Swamiji really are very, very happy.
Swami Ishatmanand Ji, Secretary Maharaj, Ramakrishna Mission School, Narottam Nagar, is here to flag off the procession, wherein 700 students and 3 band troops are taking part. Blessed are we, got the blessings and enlightenment from Swami Ishatmanand Ji on this auspicious occasion. And the procession march off.
इस विद्यालय में पढ़ी हुई बहनें आज समाज के प्रत्येक वर्ग में अपनी सेवाएं दे रही हैं, चाहे वह डॉक्टर हो या इंजीनियर, शिक्षक हो या ऑफिसर या लेक्चरर,
Even the Aam Aadmi got inspiration, and he is also sharing joy with students.
In this very evening, I welcome Swami Ishatmananda Ji to this function. Kanyakumari, and he is with us he has reached here on 7th of December, inaugurated this function. His presence has motivated all of us, and his presence will keep encouraging us for this function in his auspicious day.
And we should be thankful to Kanyakumari for that. And this morning, the whole town was full of band, songs, and also the whole people of Alo. So, the students marching each and every corner.
प्रिंसिपल के रूप में सेवा कर रहे हैं श्री जी रामन। वाइस प्रिंसिपल के रूप में बीकेवी तपरा गांव में कार्यरत है श्री पीके पांडे। सुनपुरा और आज बालीगंज में कार्यरत है श्रीमती रेवा बैद्या। हमारे बच्चियों का देखभाल करने का काम ये बहुत सुंदर रूप से आप करती है। जिर्दिन बालीजान आज सुनपुरा विवेकानंद केंद्र विद्यालय में कार्यरत है श्री रोबिन सेकिया।
चित सुख स्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। होना बहुत कठिन है। हम लोग जब जन्म लेते हैं, हाथ पा ऐसे लेकर जो मनुष्य शरीर लेकर जन्म लेते हैं, क्या उसमें इंसान हो गए, मनुष्य हो गए? ना। ये जो पशु पक्षी जो है वो जन्म लेते हैं, पर उनको तो पशु पक्षी बनने के लिए कोई ट्रेनिंग की जरूरत नहीं होते हैं।
पूरा करने के उपलक्ष्य में इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस और गणतंत्र दिवस की परेड के मैदान में बने हुए छोटे से मंच पर विराजमान मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में स्वामी ईशात्मानंद महाराज जी। शत शत वंदना कंठों से निनादित एक नाथ की अर्चना।
this esteemed institution they have given here. So my heartiest congratulations goes to the students who by virtue by their hard work
जिसका कोई नहीं इस जग में उसका मीत कन्हैया वंशी बजैया रास रचैया काली नाग नथैया
मुलु आंग्यो जू ससुया बुग लोकर पोयाजू हमें परेलो मुलु नयसम ना पोयाजू
अमृल के यमिंजा गुम्ह तपलो यमिंजा जुजु जजा यमिंजा तमंगु गया आराधन 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 मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन भारत माता की
प्रणाम माता श्री अर्जुन दुर्योधन मेरे बच्चों युद्ध का पहला दिन है आज युद्ध स्थल में पहुंच गए सका का अर्जुन
पिता कृष्ण रथ आगे ले चलिए शत्रु की वीर रचना का अनुमान लगा लो और ये देख सकूं कि मुझे इस युद्ध में किस किस के साथ लड़ना है।
किसी किसी परीक्षा की घड़ी में महासक्त होके असमर्थता प्रकाश करना श्रेष्ठ पुरुष द्वारा आचरित नहीं होता। तुम योद्धा हो, तुम्हारा लक्ष्य हमेशा विजय में पराजय में नहीं है। कायरता तुम्हें शोभा नहीं देती। युद्ध की घोषणा हो चुकी है। शस्त्र उठाओ अर्जुन, शस्त्र उठाओ।
हे कृष्ण मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ अर्पित कीजिए मेरे भाई दुर्योधन को हस्तिनापुर की राज सिंहासन जो उसे चाहिए। मैं फिर से वनवास को अपना लूंगा, भीख मांग के जी लूंगा, परंतु ये युद्ध नहीं करूंगी।
यद्यता चलति श्रेष्ठ तत्व देव तरो जन साह्य प्रमाणम कुरुते लोकस्तरन वर्तते। यदि तुम युद्ध से विमुख हो जाओगे तो तुम समाज के लिए बुरा उदाहरण बन जाओगे। समाज नष्ट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि श्रेष्ठ पुरुष जैसा आचरण करता है और ज्ञान भी वैसा करेगा। हमारी पीढ़िया में एक नहीं हजारों पापी दुर्योधन जन्म लेंगे। द्रुपद नंदिनी द्रौपदी जैसी नारी लांछित होगी, सारी मातृशक्ति का अपमान होगा। क्या तुम ये सह पाएगा? इसीलिए हे अर्जुन, अन्य अधर्म का विनाश करके धर्म प्रतिष्ठा करनी है तुम्हें। गांधी उठाओ अर्जुन।
पितामह विश्व विश्राम कीजिए मेरे बालों की सैया पर।
Connection talk there.
Yoga is a characteristic feature of VKV system. In all our schools, there are yoga classes. The girls are performing Jaladeep Asana, a glass full of water having a burning candle inside to be balanced on the forehead while performing many asanas. Practice of yoga enables the development of equipoise. Yoga promotes evenness of mind and physical culture. It also keeps many elements at bay and tones the muscles. The flexible muscles help the performers to go for difficult postures effortlessly and with beautiful smile. commemoration of 25 years of VKV Children, the 3 days long programs is concluded by the band demonstration of 3 band troops. The girls in maroon coat are from Jirdin. The center band troop in yellow shirts is from VKV Nirjuli, and the girls in blue coat are from Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, Balijan. The trainer is Govind Vishwakarma. Friends, in the annals of history, 25 years is comparatively quite less time period, but it is conspicuous by the uphill struggle and harsh slog put in by staff and students of VKV Jirdin. It has made a very high benchmark of excellence. All this could be achieved because of out and out enthusiasm of our students and Vivekananda Kendra Karyakartas, coupled with wholehearted cooperation and support from parents, well-wishers, public leaders, and patronage of local administration and government. We put on record our heartfelt gratitude and sincere most thanks to all of them. May you all be happy and grow from strength to strength. That's our prayer to Tony Polo. Jai Hind.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा